From there, we talk about leisure activities in the traditional African society. So name them. Leisure activity in the traditional African society. Say something. Yes? Leisure activity. Storytelling. Sorry? Hunting. Sorry? Yes, dancing and singing. Weaving. Basketry and weaving and the same thing. Pottery, yes. Visiting relatives. Sorry? Yes. So we have singing and dancing. We have wrestling. Yes, people wrestle in the traditional African society. Hunting. Yes. We also have weaving and basketry. Storytelling. Yes. Celebrating the rites of passage. That is a leisure activity. The traditional African, because we come when you are going through maybe circumcision, we celebrate worship ceremonies, also participating in games and visiting relatives.